The armadillo lizard, scientifically known as Arborus cataphractus, is a fascinating reptile belonging to the family Chordalidae. It is commonly referred to as the armadillo-girdled lizard, due to its unique defense mechanism, which resembles that of an armadillo. Armadillo lizards are relatively small, typically ranging from 15 to 20 centimeters 6 to 8 inches in length. Their bodies are stocky and cylindrical, resembling a small armadillo. Hence their name. They have short legs and a short, blunt snout. Their coloration is primarily shades of brown or gray, providing excellent camouflage against the rocky habitats they inhabit. Some individuals may exhibit faint stripes or speckles. The lizard's body is covered with small, overlapping scales, which provide protection against predators and in retaining moisture in their arid environment. One of the most distinctive features of the armadillo lizard is its tail, which is thick and ringed, resembling the tail of an armadillo. This tail can be tightly curled around the body, forming a protective barrier when threatened. The head is relatively small compared to the body, with small eyes and nostrils. Armadillo lizards are primarily found in arid and semi-arid regions, particularly rocky outcrops, where they can seek refuge in crevices and cracks. One of the most fascinating adaptations of the armadillo lizard is its ability to curl into a tight ball when threatened, resembling the behavior of an armadillo. This defense mechanism provides excellent protection against predators, as the tightly curled body with the armored tail makes it difficult for predators to attack or swallow them. The armadillo lizard's body is covered with overlapping, armored scales that provide protection against predators and environmental hazards. These scales not only act as armor, but also help in retaining moisture in the lizard's arid habitat. These are skilled burrowers, utilizing their strong limbs and sturdy claws to excavate shallow burrows or seek refuge in crevices and rock fissures. This behavior allows them to escape extreme temperatures and avoid predators. In their desert habitat, armadillo lizards need to regulate their body temperature to avoid overheating. They bask in the sun to raise their body temperature and retreat to shaded areas or burrows to cool down when necessary. Their ability to adjust their behavior to maintain an optimal body temperature is crucial for their survival. In the harsh desert environment, armadillo lizards have a flexible diet, feeding on a variety of insects, small vertebrates, and plant matter. This omnivorous feeding strategy allows them to adapt to fluctuations in food availability in their arid habitat. Default text: living in arid environments means water is scarce. So armadillo lizards have evolved several adaptations to conserve moisture. Their thick, armored skin helps reduce water loss through evaporation, and they obtain moisture from their food sources. Additionally, they may also lick dew or moisture from rocks to supplement their water intake. The coloration and pattern of armadillo lizards provide excellent camouflage against the rocky habitats they inhabit. Their shades of brown or gray blend seamlessly with the rocky terrain, making them less conspicuous to predators and allowing them to ambush prey more effectively. Armadillo lizards often live in small family groups, consisting of an adult pair and their offspring. This social structure may provide benefits such as increased protection against predators and cooperative care of offspring. They are primarily diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. However, they may retreat to burrows or crevices to avoid the hottest parts of the day. Breeding typically occurs during the warmer months. Male armadillo lizards may engage in territorial displays to attract females. After mating, females lay eggs, usually in a shallow burrow or crevice. The number of eggs laid can vary but typically ranges from 2 to 5. The eggs are incubated for several weeks until they hatch, with the exact duration depending on environmental conditions such as temperature. Baby armadillo lizards are relatively independent from birth, though they may receive some parental care from the mother. They grow quickly and reach sexual maturity within a year or two. Armadillo lizards are not currently considered to be threatened or endangered, although habitat loss and collection for the pet trade may pose localized threats to certain populations. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting their natural habitat are crucial for ensuring their long-term survival.